Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn Excel, and here we will prepare a inventory chart. Here is a shop name AK Traders. AK Traders Private Limited. So here is serial number. One, two. How you can draw serial number without putting manually number? Select both column and drag it from right bottom to number your desired, that tell 12 serial number. So it has been drawn. Second column is item number. Here item number. You can go into next cell by down arrow. Third item is category. In second cell, desk supplies, and you can come down arrow by in down cell by clicking on the next cell or by down arrow on keyboard. And third one is category is computer. If you want to edit any cell, click on the cell and then double click, you can edit this cell. So fourth category is, so these are four category, and it is till 12 number. Select this column and copy. Here I can paste it. You can copy selected item by short key Ctrl C, or by right click and click on copy. Here you can paste it by Ctrl plus V key, or you can paste it right click and then here right click and then paste. These are the paste option. And our third column is quantity on hand. Quantity on hand. That this is let me put the number. Our fifth column is order date. How you can draw order date? Simply click here. Let's see, it is 15 August 2022. If you would like to draw this consecutive date, select and draw it. So consecutive dates are arranged in column F. So here order quantities are displayed. If you would like to remove the decimal, click on the home tab, then go to number group and then click here decrease decimal. So in this case you can decrease decimal to round figure. So here raw data is input, and you can turn it into professional look. Here select this, the title of the inventory, and in home tab alignment, merge and center. So this title has been merged and centered, and here you can change the size of title. Let 20, and you can change the font bold, italic, and also you can change the color. Let I would like to choose blue color, so it has been changed. Then again merge and cell, so it has been look very good. So here you can see it is in the raw form, and then select this to adjust the data. So here you can click on any between two column, so it has been displayed well. Here you can see. So select the data, and in between two column click here, it is adjusted. Click here, it is adjusted, and then click here, it has been adjusted. Click here and then click here, so it has been adjusted. So keep it all the data on center. Click on the home tab, then alignment, then select the center. Here you can see. So now it is looking in good form. Then select this row 3 in order to highlight this, and here you can bold it, and also you can change the font size here. Like let me select the 12, and then change the color. Let select me the red color. So here you can see it has been now looking in very good form. In column I we will total the unit price, and quantity order we will here calculate the total price. Total price. So how you can calculate it? It is so easy. Here click on the equal sign, then click on the unit price, and then multiply sign. It is a star sign, and then click on the order quantity. So here our result is ready, and you can draw it. So all the column has been calculated this price. So decrease the decimal and keep it on the center. Adjust the column. and here we will calculate the total amount. So select the column and here is right side. Here you can see it is auto sum. So your total amount is calculated, you can see in this cell. So now this is looking very good form. Here you can see. So I would like to this in the center. So select from this to this line and then merge and center. Here you can see now it's looking in very good form. So if you would like to draw border, and in home tab you can select the alignment group, and let's see, I would like to draw the border from here to here, and alignment, and then go to the border and select the outline here and inside line. So border has been drawn. Here you can see now it's looking very good form. Here you can see. If you would like to remove these lines in last, then go again alignment, and then select the border, then select the inside line. So here it has been cleared. You can see. Here you can see now it is looking very professional inventory chart of AK Traders Private Limited. In this case you can draw or make a inventory chart in Excel. Here we have calculated the sum. One way to calculate sum I have told you. The second way, let's see. Here you calculate the sum. Select the, here you would like to select the sum. Here select the, click on the function, then sum. Okay, select these rows from this to this, and okay, here you can see value has been calculated. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share this video to others. Thank you.